Hi. God. Hey friends, my name's Megan. This is my GMC Yukon. I'm converting it into a camper right now. I'm actually in the middle of making some of the last cabinets for it, but I've been documenting the whole thing. I'm excited to share it with you. It's hard to edit videos, so here we are. I bought this car back in like January. I've been converting it for the past few months and it's almost ready to go. I intend to share the entire build process with you and kind of what that experience was like for me. I'm not an experienced builder by any means. I didn't have a lot of tools. I started while I was actually living in a studio apartment in Banff, and now I'm staying at a friend's house and have a garage, so it's been quite the journey. I am doing this build mostly by myself. I have the help of my boyfriend. He's an electrician, so he's helped with the whole solar electrical setup. Yeah, I was really looking forward to the challenge of building this out into something kind of livable. So far, I'm really happy with the size I actually have. Like, it's pretty comfortable. I can sit upright in it now that I have my bed platform in and the mattress. So far, I've just been posting on my Instagram about all the progress I've made. So if you're really eager, go check that out. My plan to start is to travel this summer in Alberta, BC, and the Yukon. I got the idea in my head because I actually met a guy while I was on a hike while I was driving out to Banff from Ontario, and he just told me about his experience traveling through the Yukon and doing it. I think he was hitchhiking, so by car is just like the best way to travel such a vast space. That kind of just snowballed into a massive road trip that I was like, let's just live out my van life dreams, but in an SUV. So that's how I ended up with this. It cost me just under $11,000, and then it took some extra work to get it safetied for my insurance. I am Canadian, so I'll put the US dollars somewhere on the screen. The idea started as a minivan, but then the more I started to think about the roads that I'll probably be driving down, having four-wheel drive and like a higher clearance and just a more capable car seemed a lot more feasible. Also, it's kind of smaller, it's easier to build, it was cheaper to buy than a large van, that's for sure. I'm really looking forward to SUV life. I love being outdoors, I love hiking, I just want to find all the beautiful places. But I do understand how van life is glamorized on social media, so most hope not to add to that glamorized version and show kind of a realistic side. I don't know, I'm an overthinker, so I'm gonna talk about the whole experience for me mentally, I think, as well as show what I'm seeing and what I'm doing. Another thing I'm looking forward to is actually just the challenges of van life and how I can handle those, and I love taking on new challenges and how that builds my confidence and taking on things as a solo female traveler and la-di-da. I don't know what I've said so far, but I've documented the whole thing. I plan to get it out onto YouTube. I'm really excited about it, so stay tuned, be patient. They will come. I don't know what they will look like. I think that's good for now. I gotta get back to building things, and hopefully you'll see me again soon, but for now, you can find me on Instagram. Okay.